Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back to one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you WhatsApp new update. So with this help of update guys, you can easily able to start your important message on your WhatsApp chat. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to open the Google Play Store and here you need to search WhatsApp and update the app. Okay, after updating, open the WhatsApp and open your chat. Now if you have any important message or conversation to save, find out the message which you want to save as a start. Okay, so and just tap and hold on that message, and here after this guys you can get one star icon in your toolbar menu. Just tap on it. Now the message was star on your WhatsApp. And then now if you want to find out that starred messages on your WhatsApp, open WhatsApp once again, and here you need to search that particular contact name, and here you can get your all star messages. As you can see guys, star messages. So this is the very nice and very useful feature added in the WhatsApp to star your important messages on your WhatsApp. If you want to uninstall that particular message, just open that message once again and just tap and hold on it, and here you need to type once again on star icon. The message will unstar from the WhatsApp. That's it. So that's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.